Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to walk you through the process of deleting your profile on the Picsart app. If you have decided to remove your account, this video will guide you clearly and efficiently through every step, ensuring that you can complete it without any confusion. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the pen icon. Next, scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Delete Profile. Click on it to proceed. You will be asked to select a reason for deleting your profile. If your reason is not listed, choose Other and type your reason in the space provided. Then, click on the Next button to move forward. You will be prompted to continue with Google. Make sure you select the Google account that is linked to your Picsart profile. This ensures that the deletion process is connected to the correct account. Finally, after confirming your Google account, click on Delete to permanently remove your profile from Picsart. Once this is done, your account will no longer be accessible, and all associated data will be deleted according to Picsart's policies. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button, and sharing this video with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.